Hey there, my dear friends. I've got a fantastic video for you today where I'll be showing you the mesmerizing watercolor technique of painting a poppy flower. Before we dive into the painting process, let me share some interesting facts about the poppy. It's not just a pretty flower, it carries deep symbolism. The poppy represents fertility, forgetfulness, and leisure. In legends and myths, it's often associated with sleep and death. But when it blooms, oh boy, it's an absolute marvel. It becomes a symbol of timeless beauty, capturing the essence of everlasting youth and feminine charm. It's also considered a symbol of the Great Mother, representing fertility and the nurturing qualities of the night. So it's like a tribute to all the night and lunar deities out there. Pretty cool, right? Now let's get back to the painting process. I start with pale colors, diluting them with water to create a soft and delicate base. Gradually, I layer on more vibrant colors, allowing them to blend and mingle on the paper. It's like watching the magic unfold as the pigments come to life. Once the watercolor paint is dry, I take out my trusty colored pencils and markers to add those final touches and details. This step helps to bring out the intricate lines and enhance the overall beauty of the poppy flower. So, get ready to immerse yourself in the artistry of watercolor painting. Sit back, relax, and enjoy watching as I bring this poppy flower to life on the canvas. Remember, every stroke of the brush and every color choice is like a little dance of creativity. Let your imagination soar and bask in the joy of this artistic journey. Enjoy the video, my friends.